Yep. 3,000 subscribers. We did it before 2025. Can we get a 50K now before 2025? What's up, Nova? How to join the giveaway? All you gotta do is go to the Discord. Go to the Discord, go to giveaways, put the fire emoji here, and then sign up for an account with Funded by Traders. That is the prop firm account we are giving away. So you just need to quickly make an account, 3-4 seconds, and it'll be very simple giveaway. Just 2 steps, takes literally 5 seconds. Very simple stuff. Appreciate you, Marcel. What's up, Dragon? How are you, brother? We hit 3,000 subscribers, guys. We did it. That was my main goal before 2025. I gotta do a comeback. I'm -6 on the funded. You gotta do your comeback. Dragon, I'm not even gonna make a bias today because today is the day before FOMC. Sorry, not the day before FOMC. It's the session before FOMC, which I don't trade. I don't trade this session. I'm not gonna try and predict anything. So I can't find my TikTok chat. Can somebody help me find it? Where is it? So we're just gonna tape read. I will most likely trade PM. Yeah. I'm not gonna trade morning session. Nope. I have 3 days that I don't trade. This live chat has popped out. Where did it pop out? And this is one of them, right? This is one of the sessions. These are one of the instances. One of the instances that I don't trade, and I don't trade this session because it's gonna be very uneventful. I think it's gonna be very difficult. These equal lows look really freaking good on ES. Get I get a gold signal right now? Yo, what's going on with my TikTok live stream, bro? I can't see the chat. Yo, can someone in TikTok say something real quick just so I can test the chat? And then this is the stream. It's just for the giveaway. Well, we're gonna do some tape reading, answer some questions. I'll still tape read. Maybe I'll demo trade. I just won't take a trade on the funded. You know? Won't take a trade on the funded. Why are you not trading the morning session? Are you using OBS? Okay, I can see the chat here. That's good enough. If I click this, we have FOMC in the afternoon. Usually the morning session is not that good. In my experience, the power of 3, which is what I trade, does not form too clearly. Nope, the winners are going to be announced at the end of stream. What to expect? Expect a lot of movement, brother. Just close your short. Yeah, I mean, I'll paper trade our model, see if it plays out. Not gonna take it on the funded though. Not gonna take it on the funded. So if you wanna trade, you do you. Just know that me personally, I'm just gonna be trading the funded, and I'll probably be looking for a long, just to play inside the range here. Not expecting much movement. We will tape read this. So look for a long to this fair value gap, and then maybe a short to the equal lows on ES. So winners in the giveaway will be announced at the end of stream. I'll roll them live so you guys can see I'm not a scammer. Trade Forex. I wouldn't trade Forex either. I mean, I do have an eval account. I do have an evaluation account. Quickly scan gold. I mean, this looks even worse than futures. How do you know Sam? I met him online. Should we trade today? You can. Me personally, I won't be trading the morning session. I'll be paper trading the morning session. No, brother, I just went live. I don't even really woke up probably before you. I probably woke up after you took your trade. The indicator I'm using, ITT kill zones and pivots, TFO. Check Euro. Little bit more clean, but still ass. I wouldn't. It's nothing. What the fuck is this? Obviously, seek and destroy occurring here. I will not. I mean, I'll be trading the PM session when I'm trading my funded and eval, but for the morning session, we're just gonna be on the paper account. I'm not gonna even risk it. I love what you do with your community. Appreciate you, bro. I really do appreciate you, man. Good morning, Sam. What do you have on your mind as a setup? Nothing, bro. I haven't even looked at the charts. I would look to keep my trades really tight today. Damn, those lows look good. If there was some sort of level. I guess higher time frame is bullish. Yep, I can show the settings for the indicator. So the indicator that's marking out these levels for me, I can show them no problem. So the indicator is called ICT kill zones and pivots. TFO. These are the levels I mark out. I personally, now you can adjust this to your trading. I personally mark out Asia, London, and New York PM. So I don't mark out AM and lunch. Okay? For the opening prices, I mark out midnight open, New York open, as well as 10, 10:30, 11, 11:30. And if I trade PM session, I use 1:30 and 2. So 13:30 and 14. So as the times get closer, I will enable these so I can see the opening prices, see the higher time frame PO3. Use macros. I use macros. I label the macros myself. Bro, here's a huge consolidation, by the way, yesterday and today. Do you agree if it will be distributes mad? It will distribute today at 2 p.m., brother. It will distribute mad. Some people are saying trade on. Some people say trade euro. JBP, JPY. Tricky because the double imbalances. I'd say order flow is pretty bullish after. Higher time frame order flow is definitely bullish The thing is, objectives, I mean, maybe we just take previous day high and then that could be your last objective. Maybe this rejection blocks your last objective. Maybe the high of the imbalance. I like the high of the imbalance. And then next week, maybe you get a move lower and then to the buy side from the weekly fair value gap. So I guess higher time frames are bullish for sure. I would be bullish on JVP, JPY. People in my chat are telling me to check Euro. Maybe we can trade on our Forex account. I mean, Euro higher time frame. I mean, order flow is definitely bearish. We gotta look at DXY first. Let's look at DXY. I mean, yeah, order flow is definitely bullish. Pretty much the same thing, but reverse. At least not in alignment. I mean, that's higher time frame though. I don't think we're gonna be getting some higher time frame setup. Let's look at the consolidation these last couple of days. We took out the buy side recently, came down, took out the sell side. Now we're stuck in the range. You'd have to look for something on the lower time frame if it was me trading Euro. No higher time frame objectives. I wouldn't expect any large expansion. We did just take out the previous day PM session low. Maybe we come here, I'd probably look for a long up into this level, but it's really not clear. DXY is the dollar index, US dollar index. 1030 news. What's 1030 news? Is it crude oil? Nah, don't worry about crude oil. It'll add some volatility. There probably will not be a big candle. Yeah, usually the move will happen at like 245. MNO is midnight opening price. Midnight opening price. Midnight opening price. So let's go back to NASDAQ. We could get a continuation lower. Good, bro. What's up, brother? Can't figure out the NinjaTrader paper trading platform. Honestly, I don't use NinjaTrader. I use TraderVate, so you might be on your own for that one, buddy. You might be on your own for that one. Asia low. Asia lows are already taken. But if you're talking about this, then maybe. MMBM and SMR at previous day low. I think you're thinking too much movement here. Too much movement for an AM session. I think we probably can go up just to consolidate. Maybe come to the 15-minute fair value gap. Whatever you're targeting, target something intraday. Don't target anything extreme. These equal highs, for example. I'll trade FOMC after PM session, yeah. So right now we're paper trading the morning session, but after FOMC, I'll trade on my real account. I'm not gonna stay live on thing until I'm gonna be live today for about an hour, answer some questions, do the giveaway that's in my Discord, right? Announce the winners. I'm bored. Can you say yes, bro? Watch. I don't know. I like Suits. I like Prison Break. I like Blacklist. I like Scorpion. I like Game of Thrones. I like Blind Spot. I like Prison Break is Prison Break really good, bro. Yeah, watch that one. I'm not even gonna give you any more. Just watch that one, bro. That's just good. Market open. So what am I looking for? Even though I'm on the paper account, we're still gonna follow the model. So I'm just gonna follow my model like any other day. It's just we're not trading our funded account, right? We're just trading the paper account. You tarred gummy. Props for that, bro. Great. So we'll see. Wow, look how we came up and failed to tap into the 15-minute fair value gap. Like, that's very typical price action. Very typical. We came in, put in those equal highs, didn't touch this fair value gap here. So my eyes jump to that as a potential target. We have a double purge setup right here for those who are following my PO3. We touched the rejection block. So the levels I'm looking at here are the rejection block, the swing low, 50% of the wick, and the FEG, of course, the 15-minute fair value gap there, if we can get above that. So we'll follow our rules. If the trade happens, we'll take it on demo. Just so everyone knows, though, I'm on a paper account right now. I'm not trading the funded as normal. Not on this day. See, paper trading. So don't come to me saying something after if we lose or win. I would never trade this session. Yep, the macros work on anything. I would never trade this session on a funded account. I personally wouldn't. I'm trading today. I'm trading on a paper account. So I'm gonna follow my model. I'm gonna follow my model, see what happens, but I'm not gonna risk any real capital. Why? The reason is no. The reason is I only listen. I'm not even picky. There's 3 days I don't trade, and this is one of them. It's not even days. It's the session. We have FOMC press conference and FOMC statement at 2 p.m. in the afternoon. In the afternoon, you're gonna see a lot of movement in the market. It's gonna move the most. The interest, right? There's gonna be more players in the market. More liquidity is how I like to think about it. More liquidity in the market. So if the algo is gonna run on liquidity or hunt liquidity, it's gonna have a lot more interest doing so in the PM session. So that automatically makes a characteristic for AM session. Most likely, price is gonna be held. It's not gonna want to run on liquidity, right? Usually, right? This is what we anticipate. Sometimes it is clean. I'm not even gonna risk it. Because in backtest, 80% of the time, it was not clean for me. My model failed. And I'm not gonna risk it. Can we set leverage? What do you mean leverage? You give yourself an amount and you risk. So that's why I'm paper trading this session. What is the PM session? PM session is the afternoon session for trading. 1:30 to 4 Eastern time. We tested a 15-minute wick. What folder do I not trade? I don't trade AM session of FOMC. That's one. I don't trade AM session before NFP. That's two. And if Fed Chair Powell is speaking, I don't trade that session. That's three. Those are the only 3 times I personally do not trade. I don't mind CPI. I don't mind PPI. I don't mind trading on NFP. Like all that stuff. I don't mind that stuff. For me, it's those 3 days. You gotta find your own rules. I do funded trading. Looks like we're gonna take that sell side. You don't like CPI? If you don't like CPI, that's okay, bro. Me personally, I'm okay with CPI. Let's go back to the 15-minute chart. So we came right through that fair value gap. See, I would have liked that short. It would have supported my model, but we would have had to touch this 15-minute fair value gap here. See how we just came short of it? ES also came short, so How can I be a part of the giveaway? Just go to the Discord, click giveaways, put the fire emoji here, and then sign up for an account with Funded by Traders. It will literally take 5 seconds. The giveaway is going to be given to that account. So the sell was kind of clean. I mean, it wasn't bad. You got the fair value gap. You got to move lower. I would prefer a reverse. If we get a breaker block from here, so if we do this, I'll go long on the paper account because that would meet my criteria for a long, and we target these equal highs. Discord won't open. Yeah, you gotta copy paste the link into your browser. Can you help us with daily buys? Not today, brother. There is no daily buys. There is none. The daily buys is, I wouldn't even try to predict it. Good morning, brother. What's the red and blue areas in that chart? The other types. Oh, this is the Asia session right here. So I mark out the trading in that time so I can see how it behaved. I mark out London session, so 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. See how it behaved. And the purple is previous day PM session. What is GEMS? GEMS is my model. GEMS is my model. That's pretty much what it is. Can you explain your trading or should it be a part of your Discord? Can you explain your trading model? Yeah, I mean, my trading model is pretty simple. I look to trade the range formed inside of a power of 3. Primarily the 930 power of 3, but sometimes it's not that one. That's my strategy. I'm trading a distribution inside the 930 power of 3. Whether it's a expansion day and you get a nice move, or if it's a range day, right? Either way, there's still going to be a range forming, and I'm trying to trade the bulk of that range inside the power of 3. That's my model. Yep, I use it previous trading times. It helps me. Yeah, sure. It can help me frame buys. It's more to help me frame narrative. So like, and draw liquidity. So for example, in this instance, we only went up in Asia and London and pre-market and pre-Asia. So, I mean, that's not really clear for me. But let's go to another day, for example, very quickly. The same thing happened here. So see, here's a little bit different. Here we consolidated and then manipulated below midnight opening price, and then we got a bullish breaker. To me, this is my New York continuation setup. So this is one of the confluences telling me that it's going to go up in New York. And you can see it went up in New York. So that's the kind of idea. I just quickly use that information. It's for daily power of 3 is what it is. Your PDFs are high level. Appreciate you, bro. It's all yours, brother. Bias? No bias. I would expect to move higher at some point just because we went down a lot. So at some point I expect to move higher, maybe to 50%, maybe to these equal highs right here. Maybe this fair value gap right above the equal highs. When the New York session starts. The New York session starts at 8:30. The link for the Discord is in my bio, guys. You have to copy paste it. It was so good, but I want to go long. I would expect Seek and Destroy. Yeah, I mean, that's what I would expect. This my model doesn't say long here, but if we get an order block here, we can take that long as per the model. The risk to reward is awful. If we get an order block here, we can take the long. I mean, just remember, guys, I'm paper trading, so I don't want anyone to. I honestly don't want anyone to copy me and be like, oh. We didn't even get the order block, so I won't take the trade. It has to be a order block or a breaker block for me to follow my model here. So I wouldn't take this trade. I wouldn't take, what's an order block? That one I can't teach you, brother. That one it's gonna take a little bit to explain that one. I'm while in studying gems and it's amazing. Good job. Appreciate you, bro. Appreciate you. There's a lot more where that came from. Is it good for PO3? Yes, for me. You could just use the breaker. I use breakers and order blocks the exact same way. So if you know what a breaker block, you can just use that. It's when I trade a reversal, I need to see a breaker or order block. That's how I use it. CISD is the formation of an order block. So if we came above here, I would say that is a CISD, change in the state of delivery. This is your bullish order block now, and we could potentially move higher, right? That's basically what I'm saying. Do you believe paper trading helps? For sure, bro. Would it not be a breaker because it wicked? It's not a breaker. Yeah, it's not a breaker yet. Yeah, no, it's definitely not a break. That's why I didn't take the paper trade, you know? Why I didn't take the paper trade. Still forming. And it looks like we'll get it here. I don't like this trade because the stop loss is not good, but it doesn't break any rules. So if we get it, we'll take it on the paper account. We'll take it on the paper account. I repeat, we'll take it on the paper account. Paper account. All right, let's see. Paper trading here. I really hope you guys. What happened? Did we get filled? Bro, how is my order getting rejected on freaking paper? It's a demo trade. Bro, what? Are you serious? Okay, whatever. We'll take the one. What's going on, man? It's literally a paper trade. All right, let's see. It looks like we're coming to that 2-minute fair value gap. Realistically, the stop should be here. TP should be higher. But let's keep the stop where it should be. Right? It needs to cover the order block. So we'll put it here. And we'll just aim for like midnight open. We can break even at this level. You're not on demo? Nope, this is demo. This is demo. Paper trading. Trust me, I would never trade 1 mini on my funded account on this day. Bro, don't run out of paper funds. Imagine you're connected to your funded. Nah, I wouldn't make that mistake. I hope not, at least. That would suck. So this is the breaker block we entered off of. See, now this becomes a propulsion block if it forms, because it's the order block off of the order block. Let's see if it forms. Wonder if we could take this in a trade itself. Like, should we just buy that? Okay, never mind. Didn't even get the chance. See how it's wicking? Not clean. But I mean, we're on the paper account. Let's not get too antsy. Hey boss, how you doing? What's up, guys? I'm just paper trading right now. Yep, my Discord's free. How was it an order block if it didn't sweep any liquidity or tap into higher time frame low? It swept the liquidity right here, and it tapped into the 50% level of this wick. So I marked out those key levels prior, and I marked out the liquidity here. So this is liquidity, right? This short-term low. So therefore, it's an order block. When is ICT doing his turn? Yeah, probably January 1st. Trading off the 1 minute is wild. I mean, I'm paper trading for starters, and for second starters, I don't mind the 1 minute. It's where I find my profitability. Send me $50. Can't do that, brother. What time is the giveaway winners announced? Probably will be announced in about an hour. I'm doing good today, bro. I'm doing good. I got some decent sleep. Need to sweep the full wick. Will the liquidity sweep? listen, the liquidity sweep needs to happen on the time frame that the order block is in. Yep, there's an inversion in here for sure. Inversion in here. Here, let's mark out like this. Since we use the order block to enter, it's gonna be sloppy though. We already know that. We already know that much. It's gonna be sloppy. We could even add a position here maybe at the 2-minute fair value gap. I mean, at this point, we just put the stop loss here, man, and we just go for it. Like, might as well. Might as well. Might as well. It's a paper trade. Let's put it all the way at the swing low. Let's look to pyramid. Let's just go all out. Let's go all out. Where's the liquidity sweep? Right here. This is a low. It got swept. So fake market structure shift liquidity sweep. Same thing. That's what I'm talking about. How will the winners be choosing? I'm just going to pick whoever I like the most, bro. So good luck. If I don't like you, you're screwed. I'm joking. We'll do it random, of course. I'll just pick a number based on the entries, and whoever happens to be that number. We're choosing the winners in probably an hour. How to spot order blocks? How did you get in a trade? I clicked market buy. I mean, we're paper trading. Paper trading is tricky because it doesn't bring into play emotion. I mean, I'm not here to gain any improvement. I'm just here to trade. Just click the button, follow the model, see if it works out on the day. I don't expect it to work out. How do you enter the giveaway? Very simple. Go to my Discord. It's free. Click giveaways. Put the fire emoji. Sign up for an account with this prop firm. They're the ones who are giving away the accounts. That's it. It's a Forex giveaway, by the way, guys. So you don't trade Forex. Are you actually making money? No, this is paper trading. This is fake trading. Why are you paper trading today? The reason I am paper trading is because it's a hard rule for me to not trade the morning session when there is FOMC in the afternoon. Why are we not waiting for the 15-minute low to get swept? I don't expect it to get swept. Thank you for hopping on the charts. I'm studying ICT. Should I have a model already or should I wait till the ICT will give you a model to backtest and then you'll probably build on that model. Why? Because usually, for starters, it's a lot more unpredictable in the morning session. The second reason is because usually price gets held in the morning session. Usually FOMC in the afternoon will run on liquidity. If you know that's gonna happen at an extreme level, usually the morning session you don't get that big of a hunt, I guess you can say, or expansion. Holy chop, I'm not trading live today. Yep, I wouldn't trade live today either. I'm on the paper trade. You know how to join ICT mentorship and how much it costs? You cannot join that mentorship, brother, but he's doing a free one in 2025. From what he said, it seems to be pretty good. So just join that one. Just follow that one. Someone said difference between order block and breaker block. I can tell you, but you might not understand it. The order block are the down close candles before liquidity sweep that offered the change in state of delivery, that led to the change in state of delivery. So right here is your change in state of delivery, as I marked out, right? Your breaker block is simply the last up close candles before the liquidity sweep. So liquidity sweep, your last up close candles before the liquidity sweep that offered the market structure shift. So you can see liquidity sweep, market structure shift. That's the difference. You think the morning session is harder to predict than PM? Only today, yes, only today. FOMC, it's a news event. FOMC is a news event. It's coming out at 2 p.m., 2:30 p.m. You can see the news event here if you go to the economic calendar. And that's why I'm on the paper account right now. I'm just on the paper account. That's it. George, what are you watching? Have you seen 2022 mentorship, George? XRP bullish. YTP so high? I don't know. Just put it there, to be honest. The buy side all the way. Maybe we'll hold it through lunch. Maybe, I don't know. It's a paper trade. I didn't really take it too serious, if I'm being honest. We can always adjust. Can you explain 20 moving average? Honestly, bro, I can. But if I'm being honest, I would not recommend it to anyone. I'm on a paper account, Ethan. Where did you get that last chart with the news? So you gotta go on Google, search up Forex Factory, and then you'll see where you're using prop firms. Right now, I'm using a paper trading account. This is paper. Man, how many times? Man, can't take this anymore, bro. There you go. Hopefully everyone can see that. All right. There you go. I think that's good. Yeah, Toffee is paper. Poppy will probably do a Discord stream today for PM session. I'll be available if anyone wants. I think Trent Home said he wants, so we'll do it. How was price delivered? Buy side, sell side, now consolidation. Reason for buy? 930 PO3. We got the breaker from a key level. Someone said, are you paper trading today? I'm eating a cracker. A cracker with jam. You're down? Let's do it, bro. Absolutely high resistance liquidity. Absolutely. Why paper trading? Economic calendar is telling me that this session is going to suck. Therefore, I'm not trading this session. I'm colorblind. Is this paper trading? Bro, you can still read. What does it have to do if you're colorblind or not? This could be blue for all I care. I don't know. All right. Let's add something here. There you go. Now, I don't want to hear that question. But it's all there. See if we can get the midnight open. I also like this fair value gap. I like these equal highs. I like midnight open. I probably have to break even after this buy side here. I'm happy seeing my TP gonna hit. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. What time do we make the call? I'm gonna start trading at 2 p.m. FOMC. No point in looking at anything before the first news drops at 2 p.m. So we'll start at 2 p.m. The trade setup's gonna form at 2:30. So I won't even take a trade till after 2:30. I make money on someone said I'm still colorblind. Why are you? I would break even this trade if I'm following my rules. I would break even this trade after we take out the buy side liquidity here. Yeah, honestly, I'd break even here. I would just do this, to be honest. Because of the fair value gap that formed. I mean, I know it's going to take this level most likely before it comes down anyways. But, yo, man, it's FOMC, you know. I would not be surprised if it just does this. Like, just fails and then dump. Like, that's the kind of shit that happens on a day like this, bro. That's literally the kind of shit that happens. So sometimes it looks really good, promising, and then you get that typical price action again. Announce the winners now. I'm deaf. Are you real trading a paper account? What does tentative mean? I have no idea, bro. Came back above New York Open. I'd want to see that yield as a support level. Are there profitable day traders? Seriously? For sure, bro. I know many. My trading strategy is fulfilled and I'm going to enter my long TP and I've hit a $600 on my funded account. Nice, bro. Are you going to be live at 2? I'm only going to be live with my private Discord, guys. So no PM stream for YouTube or TikTok. Are you trading right now? Nope. This is illusion. I'm not even actually here. You're probably dreaming. Name of the bottom indicator to pair the dates. That's AGFX watermark. AGFX watermark. Is January you have better price action? Yep. Usually after the first week of January, it'll get better. That's from my experience. Yep. I am talking about the free Discord. I'll be in my free Discord, but I have a group of students that I'm going to be going live with. So not for the whole Discord. That stream would probably be crazy. We'd probably have like a couple hundred people in there. Maybe more. There's 14,000 people in my Discord. How did you get that sell side liquidity? How did you know that sell side liquidity wouldn't get swept? Great question, bro. I'm going to tell you why. For starters, it doesn't need to. This is a good question. I like when people ask questions like this. There's 3 levels here that I marked out. 3 levels here. There's the rejection block. Okay? The rejection block. Right there. There's 50% of this wick. That's another key level. That's another just as if imagine there was a bearish fair value gap right there. It's the same thing, right? Same thing. And then the last level is the sell side liquidity. Okay? The sell side liquidity. 3 levels. The rejection block, the 50% range, the 50% level, and then the swing low. How did I know it wasn't going to take the low? First of all, it can still take the low, right? Just I wouldn't expect it until it come up to the 15-minute fair value gap. So this could definitely be a target. But how did I not know? It's very typical for price action on days where price is going to be held. So like today, I'm expecting it to be held. Usually bad AM session, that's what I mean. Price is going to be held within a range. A tight range usually, and I'm not interested in that. So how do I know? It's typical for it to leave equal lows like this. So that's when I'm more focused on the rejection block. And you can see, like, we formed the rejection block here. We tapped in, expanded, came back, tapped in, and then we got the move higher. But it's still a seek and destroy. Look, we might not even take this. Same thing that happened right here. I'm paralyzed. Is this paper trading? And if so, why are you paper trading? That's crazy, bro. Like, even that, like, I know it's a joke, but like, type shit. Score content 2016 important that I'm watching 2023 and I have watched 2022. You could probably skip 2016 as long as you can understand all the PD arrays. I wish I could partial here. What's your buy stop? Wait a minute. Why do I have a buy limit right here? Yeah, man. Join the YouTube live. I encourage everyone from TikTok to start joining the YouTube community. I love my YouTube community. Everyone's super fucking real. Follow my journey. You think I'm ass? You can do the opposite of me and make money. Some people do that, yo. That's okay. I don't care. Do what you gotta do. I'm just here showing my journey. Bro's on paper trading. Yeah, bro. Is it true equal highs and lows are like a magnet? Exactly. 100%. Always look for your equal highs and equal lows. It's not resistance. It's gonna get taken through. Just study like 2 days of price action and you'll see it multiple times. YouTube stream is clear. Yeah, YouTube stream is lit, man. I like that you have the course to write it. What course? Reverse Gatie strategy? What is your YouTube? YouTube is GatieTrades. Hey bro, sprained my ankle earlier, so can't read. What's in the afternoon? Buddy's funny, man. Buddy's fucking funny. The best equal highs are after X6 hour, the first one. What was your current trade based on? I just got here. So 930 power of 3. as always, I entered off the breaker because if I'm looking for a 930 PO3 reversal, as all my students know, I'm not saying you, I have to wait for either an order block or a breaker. In this case, we got both. I don't take this fair value gap because we didn't get the breaker. Once we got the breaker, I can now take the trade, right? Hey bro, I have to walk my fish real quick. Why are you in a trade? I mean, that's an okay question. I'm in a trade because I think these highs are going to get taken. And if I'm lucky, I can break even after these highs are taken. I mean, I wouldn't break even. I would just leave the stop here. And then maybe we can get a pump to midnight open. Damn, bro, you were on the funded. I wish, bro. Click X right now. Did you go long there because of the end dog? You can use end dog there. End dog level does overlap. I went long from here, framing my trade off of the 50% level of that wick. So this red line right here. You claim rejection block. So at the swing low here. So this is the swing low. Go to the lowest body. Boop, right there. That's your rejection block. It's basically saying that the liquidity, the bulk of the liquidity is going to be here, right? So touching a rejection block is the same thing as a liquidity sweep. We're still taking out liquidity. It's just in the form of the body, right? I'm on the paper trade. Someone, oh my god, blew my mind. How are people still asking for real? Hey, bro, what was your buy-in? What do you mean by buy-in? What does that mean? Yeah, can you let's look at this price action, right? Like, notice how we still haven't taken those equal highs. And I like I said, I literally said I wouldn't be surprised if literally this happens. Like it's typical. It's very typical. It's stressful. It's typical. It messes with your emotions. It's easy to go on tilt. Can you link to your Discord? Link to Discord is in my bio. What do you think of SMC? SMC and ICT are the exact same thing. So, yep. I'm deaf. Why are you paper trading? See orders in that wick? That would be pretty cool. Yep, it's also a rejection block. Yeah, exactly. So you would expect it to. But there's also this thing is the higher time frame plays a role here too. This case is a higher time frame rejection block. So, and there's also a big fat imbalance right there. So like, yes, the 1 minute rejection block, but higher time frame, it should really be trading into this level. You know, any other day, it just runs. It just goes right through. It should be in a hurry. I mean, that's the idea. So yeah, equal highs 1 minute. All right. Paper trading is fake trading. Yep, it's practice. I mean, say fake trading, but it's practice. Full port FOMC trust. Come on. Come on. We'll probably just close it here. Our original trade was 2R. This was the original trade. Just close it here and then maybe look for another trade for fun or... Bro, get me out of this, man. What is the difference between ICT and supply and demand? Take partial? Yeah, bro, let me just take a partial here. So I'm gonna take off what kind of one contract, bro? What? I can't take this anymore. Wait, someone asked that? Yeah, one of my students asked that, unfortunately. There you go. Woohoo! 930 PO3 model worked on FOMC. Doesn't matter. I still won't trade this day. I still won't trade this day. Why you look so mad? I'm just a TikTok commenter? Nah, I'm just joking, bro. So there's your 2R. I'm gonna full margin. Damn, bro, that was on the funded. I wish it was. It was honestly, listen, on any other day, I would take the setup. I mean, it's a beautiful setup, right? You got the breaker. You got the order block. You got the fair value gap, the inversion, equal highs, 930 PO3. It's an A plus setup. This is my A plus PO3 reversal setup. Notice how I said my A plus PO3 setup, right? But the fact that it's FOMC morning, it makes it not a A plus setup. This ain't A plus setup. Bro, this is my A plus setup. I don't care about your A plus setup. No offense. But what ICT playlist is most effective for scalping? Probably 2022. Same model with MMXM plus TB. Yep, lines up with MMXM. Inside the macro, how about SMT? I don't need SMT in my trading. You day trade full time. I do it every day, but not full time income. I'm not at that level yet. It's also inside the macro. Like, yeah, it's an A plus trade for me. All my students know this is exactly what we look for. Can you show the balance, brother? I'm on a paper account, so this was a practice trade. Yeah, this is it, bro. Accumulation pre-market, buy side, sell side, buy side, double purge, lower time frame market, A plus. I want to tell you, this A plus, A plus for me. But like I said, it's A plus on any other day, not A plus today. Definitely not A plus today. A plus on any other day. Exactly. If I get a bearish breaker here, I will probably take a short. To be honest, for me, it's A plus. A plus setup, but yep, I would look for shorts, to be honest. I would. Don't see ICT say, doesn't ICT say FMC or not? The algorithm is going to do what it's going to do. Yeah, but what I think the algorithm is going to do is a whole bunch of this. So if I think it's going to do that, why would I trade unfunded, right? Yeah, the algorithm doesn't turn off. It's just going to be bad. Can you explain liquidity in short term? Liquidity is in the form of stop losses. So liquidity means resting money in the market. So where is there resting money, right? Resting money. So anyone who went short has their stop loss. I'll explain this quickly. Anyone who went short, anywhere here, anywhere here, anywhere here, anyone who went short has their stop loss above market price, obviously, right? They went short, so their stop loss is above market price. The algorithm will refer to old highs, so old high here, old high here, old high here, old high here, as a place where there's liquidity. Why? Because people tend to put their stop losses at old highs, at these key levels of resistance or pivot points or whatever you want to call it. So if the market runs on liquidity, you know it's going to target those stop losses at those old highs. Whether or not there's actually stop losses there, it doesn't matter. That's just how the market moves. It runs on liquidity, where it thinks liquidity is, where it knows liquidity is. You know, anyone who went short has a stop loss, right? It's going to run that liquidity. So that's the idea. So for example, imagine I went short right now. Where would I put my stop loss? I'd put it right here. I'd aim for, let's say this, right? Well, if the market runs up here, well, we know why, because it's running the liquidity up there, you know? Obviously, you have to look at the higher time frame and all that stuff too. All that stuff matters. Why don't you use the smallest contracts today unfunded? I already trade pretty small contracts. I only risk 200 per trade, so what am I going to risk? 50? There's no point. And I do plan on trading the funded. I'll be trading the PM session, right? So I wouldn't want to take a trade in the morning. Which model are you applying? I'm applying my model, my PO3. This is mine. Ain't no one trade PO3 like me. This is my PO3. Just kidding. I'm sure there's somebody out there. But I don't think... I personally don't know anyone who trades a PO3 like me. For real. How much you make a month? Probably like $0, bro. Entry before 950? Yeah. What do you percent risk on a normal day? Percent risk from the account size or the drawdown size? Can you explain breaker block? No. Honestly, not in the mood, bro. You should just watch it. Go to ICT month 4. Watch like episode 6, I think. Episode 6 breaker blocks. Just watch that. account size. I would risk on an account side. I would risk probably like 2% max per day, 2% per trade, 1 to 2% per trade. 2%, yeah, 2% per day. The shorts look good. Not yet. Maybe if we get this. People trade PO3. You know, I'm sure people trade PO3. I don't think they do it like me. I don't think they have the information and data like me. I mean, maybe. I can't speak, to be honest. I don't know. Yeah, I've seen all of IGT's playlists. You're good at trading. Why not go full time? I'm not good enough yet. I still got to work on some things. You know, I have the knowledge, but the mastery of myself is not there yet. You know, I got some more stuff to do. Can you explain a breaker real quick? A breaker is simply a liquidity sweep, then a market structure shift. Is your private Discord free? My private Discord is not free. Nope. Those are for the people who want to pay for me to spend more time with them. Rules you take to take a trade. For this trade, it's a PO3 reversal model. So I have a couple models in my playbook. I will show you. Well, actually, did I write it down? Let me show you guys something. Actually, I'm not going to show that. 9:30 opening. Buy side, sell side. So double purge model. That's your A+. That's the best way it can form. Buy side, then sell side. Then you want to see a higher time frame key level, which we hit right here. So that's step 2. So clear manipulation into a PD array. Okay. Then if it's a reversal, I need to see a breaker or change in the state of delivery on the 1 minute. That's it. It's so simple. 3 steps, right? Manipulation from New York Open. We either take out liquidity or enter higher time frame level. And then breaker block. Breaker block or change the state. Do you still have a job? You're doing this full time? If yes, how many payouts before quitting your job? I have 3 payouts so far. How many more payouts? I work part-time. Honestly, bro, I like my job. I wouldn't quit even if I was rich. I love my job. I work for a basketball league. I get to watch all my friends play basketball. I get to work with my friends and watch them play basketball. Like, we all just watch basketball games together. So I like my job. I wouldn't quit. I don't think I would quit, to be honest. Maybe if I was, like, living somewhere else or, like, fucking super rich. Looking for anything now? I would look for a short. I wouldn't look for a long, personally. How do I enter the giveaway? Join the Discord, go to giveaways, click the fire emoji, and sign up for an account with Funded by Traders. They're the ones giving the prop firm. It's like 5 seconds to sign up account. Free. You don't have to buy an account. Just like put in your email, and that's the email we're gonna send you the account on. There's gonna be 3 winners. The fuck do I do? I would focus your entry on the futures chart, Nova, and then just click the buy or sell on NOWS 100. Explain your trading strategy. Can you explain how the daily candle PO3 on the chart given? Yeah, it's very not clear, but I can explain it. Sure. We had a move above midnight opening at this point, forming the high of the daily candle, and we went down from that level, forming the low of the daily candle. On any other day, I would expect this 15-minute bearish unicorn setup with the breaker and then 15-minute to hold. And I would expect it to dump. On any other day, I would say this happens like 95% of the time. I've seen this classic, very, very classic behavior. But it's FOMC, so I'm not even going to try and predict what's going to happen. FOMC afternoon. How long have you been trading for? I've been trading for just a year, brother. What would be the confirmation for short? For me, it would be a bearish breaker. I would have to see the breaker in this case. Because I am trading a reversal, lower time frame. So I need to see the breaker. Your buys today, seek and destroy. Yep, that's the only buys I can have, you know. I would never look for much more. What are the days you don't trade? FOMC morning, NFP the day before, and then if Powell's speaking, I don't trade. Yep, Jacob, I was there too, man. Trust me, I have tried every single guru model out there. I have backtested it all. I have data on all. It took me forever to find out a way to put all my knowledge together. It took me forever. I don't trade at all. If he stops speaking, then I'll trade. Are you an ICT trader? Yep, I've been an ICT trader for about 1 year now, just over. I've been trading live markets for 12 months and 18 days. Sorry, 11 months and 18 days. But I started learning a little bit longer than that. Can you show your chart colors? Sure. So everything black except this candle, the up close candle, it's this code right here. You've been trading for only 1 year? No way. Yeah, man. I put in that work. I'm on that shit. I'm on that shit, guys. Can you explain BPR? It's a balanced price range. So a price range with no inefficiencies is a BPR. Or if you have a bearish fair value gap that overlaps with a bullish fair value gap that happens immediately, you can view that as a balanced price range because price immediately ran through that price range that was inefficient to offer efficiency, and then it usually reverses from there. What you using? What do you mean? You're trading prop firms? Oh, I trade prop firms, man. If I had my own capital, I would love to, but I don't have enough capital. We took one trade on this paper account and we caught a win. If we get a bearish setup, I'll take it. First month of trading, would you recommend to fund it or not? If you have the money, I would go for it. Because the earlier you start trading fundeds, the earlier you start trading like real accounts. I mean, obviously funded is not a real account, but once you start trading your funded or your eval, and that's when you're gonna start learning about yourself. You know, on demo, you are in my opinion, you are never gonna learn about yourself like you will on another account. You just can't. You know, you just won't. You won't. You won't go on tilt. You won't realize you're on tilt. But as soon as you get it funded, and you do some dumb shit like enter 5 times the same trade that wicked you out, or you just keep fucking trading over and over again, or you just start clicking the button with no reason, that shit's gonna happen when you're funded, you know? It's not gonna happen when you're on a demo. I used all of them, to be honest. Speaking of, I accidentally bought a my funded futures account, so now I have to use that too. Or trade your own capital. If you have the money, sure, but I mean, if you don't got the money, I wouldn't. 15-minute bearish uni. The 15-minute bearish uni is there, yep. What is your prediction on Euro? Chop. Oh, still chopping. What a surprise. What a surprise. Can you show your indicators? Yep, 2 indicators. ICT kill zones and pivots. That's what marks out the opening prices for me. And AGFX watermark. I am live every day, brother. How much did I make from this trade? Brother, I made absolutely $0 from this trade. This was on a fake account. I was just practicing today. Today was just practice. We'll be trading our real accounts in the PM session today. Or just trade your capital. Yep, exactly. All right. So as this progresses, I will start setting up the giveaway winners. And you going live for PM? I'm only going to be going live for my private Discord, brother. I owe them a live stream. I owe them a live stream, so we're going to do it with them. So unfortunately, most of you guys will not be able to be there. But I will be live every day, morning session. How the hell you accidentally bought a funded account? I forgot to cancel the thing, bro. I forgot to cancel, so I have another account now. We'll have to use that sometime. I didn't want to get any more accounts. No, the private Discord's paid, and all the slots are closed right now, so I can't open any more slots. If you guys want to join, I'm not here to promote my stuff, okay? I really do not care if you join. It's only for the people who actually want. So I'm not gonna promote it. You'll notice I never promote it. I don't put it in my videos. I don't even tell people unless they ask. Truth is, I don't care. But for those who come out to me and tell me they want to learn, sure, I'll teach you. Sure, why not? The terms on the PDF from Discord are somewhat confusing. Can you describe them? Brother, that's a good question, but I can't do that for you on live stream. But luckily for you, I made videos on all of those, so you can go and watch. You're welcome. Yep, I use ICT. Yeah, for sure. Sideways is what I expect too, brother. Yeah, anyways, we accidentally bought a My Funded Futures account, so Can you show your trading view settings? Where can I find the videos on YouTube? GatieTrades on YouTube. You will see I'm posting everything for free, man. Like everything's for free, right? It's all here. It's all free. There's more stuff coming. This isn't everything, but it's all free, you know? Risk management. I risk $200 per trade. How do I get the systems ebook? Link doesn't work in the Discord. Yeah, YouTube chat's a lot better than TikTok. I'll trade FOMC PM. The ebook's not working? Working for me, bro. I don't know, man. It works for me. Did you click the link, bro? I don't know. Yeah, Toxic. We'll do it in the Gems chat, brother. How do I get systems ebook? Yeah, it should work. I'm planning on buying a 2K fund. Any advice? Is your ebook free? All the ebooks are free. Yeah, all the ebooks are free. All these books are free. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, all free. When you announcing the winners, approximately what time? As soon as I get the list up, we'll do it. So let me start working on that. So I'm gonna take a break on answering questions so we can announce the giveaway winners. Toxic, you're in charge of YouTube chat. Type shit. All right. All right. Can you also tell me your setup? I trade PO3. My PC setup. I have a gaming PC I built around 8 years ago. It's still alive. I really hope it doesn't break because I don't have the money to get a new PC. I mean, do you play Fortnite? No, but I think I might start playing OG Fortnite again, bro. To be honest, it looks fun. 2024 giveaway. Appreciate the ebooks. I got you, brother. It's all yours, man. All yours. Okay. So. Okay, I need. Man, okay, this happened last time, and I'm more ready this time. But is there a way I can just can I just copy paste all your names into a doc? Let's hop on 420 one day. We'll play on your server. We will play on your server. It would be my server. That's 211 people. Oh, you mean? Got you, got you. Yeah, the ping will be high, but we can run it. Play OG Fort with me. Notice how price just stopped after taking those highs? It's typical stuff, guys. Very typical stuff. Am I really gonna have to manually type these in? Short breaker incoming. Yeah, there is a breaker there. We have high, low, higher high, lower low. This is technically a breaker, but it's really weak. There's not that much displacement on it, but it is a breaker block. It definitely is a breaker block. So it would meet my criteria for shorts. Usually I like to wait for 10:30 for that she can destroy, but is it reversing? Maybe. On any other day, this would be an A+ short, right? We hit that 15-minute breaker. This one right here, 15-minute breaker. We have a 1-minute breaker. Just double breakers. What is he using to paper trade? This is a trading view. So let's tape read this. Oh no. Did we miss our fill? Pretty precise delivery there if it does go lower. We touched the breaker exactly. Missed our fill. Anyways, 2 A+ setups in 1 day is crazy. I wouldn't say this is A+. Not enough displacement. How's your day going? Good day, brother. It's a good day. We're gonna set up the giveaway winners now. So that's always fun. I always love doing giveaways. How did I enter? There was no sweep on the high time frame. I was entering off the 50% level of the wick, and I was reading. Hey, you know what? I'm trying to set it up. I need some advice because this is not gonna work. I'm not gonna individually listen. I need some advice, guys. How the hell can I get these reactions? I could just count like I did last time. I can lock the reactions. I can't copy it, unfortunately. It won't work. It won't work. Let me try something. Hold on. Let me try something here. Okay, hold up. All right, I got it. I got it. I got it. It's working. Wait, did you send me the whole list? Alex, you just send me the whole list? It just copy paste the first 10, right? Yeah. No worries. I got it. Just give me a sec. We'll announce the giveaway winners shortly. So everyone, just give me a sec. I can't read your text messages. Damn, this shit's bugging. All right, I'm just gonna show this screen. So I'm putting all the giveaway winners here. Gotta make sure I don't miss one. It's gonna paste everyone twice. That's okay. George. Lord, yep. Just make sure it's the right one every time. So Guru, perfect. Shadow play. So just putting all the names, entering all the names here. Rich as fuck. Trading Pope, Sneaker Pope. Just reading the last names, making sure it's the right one. The rake. Yep, it's gonna put everyone in twice. That's okay. As long as everyone gets put in twice, right? Then it's still fair. Suresh. that's okay, right? It's not like some people are getting put in twice and other people once. So Karthik, CJ, Justin, cryptic. All right, almost done, guys, and then we're gonna roll these numbers. So get it in before it's too late. You know, once we get to the bottom of the list, that's it. Oh, there's Alex Exta PT. Okay, last two. I'll give you guys like 15 seconds if you want to throw in a reaction on this post. It's your last chance. All right, we got one more person. I think two more people entered there. I'll give you guys your last chance. You don't see your name? Ibrahim, is this you? EEMFR? Trader, Sam. I'll give you guys a chance. I'm in. What is this? Just doing a giveaway. We're going to roll this 3 times. Okay, where were you guys when I said the giveaway was being announced? What is going on, man? This is so typical. All right, let's just take a pause here at Sam, and then we'll fill out the numbers. It looks like it's going to keep going here. So we're at Sam. Thank goodness it updates at the bottom of the list. It's there. Yep, you good, bro. I don't think I missed anyone. Pre. Okay, let's put those in. So ends at Ido. Ido's the last one. Look at all the people coming in. All right, listen. At 10:35, you have 2 minutes. All right, you have 2 minutes, and then we're capping it. So you got 2 more minutes. I'll make sure there's no duplicates. Can you control left, Jon Snow? Yep, you're right there. Number 109, brother. 109 and 110. You're there. I got you. Don't worry. All right. A lot of you are re-reacting. Trying to get sneaky extra picks. Me. How do I get in? You have to join the Discord and click the fire emoji on the post. No, there's no duplicates. Because it's only going to update the bottom of the list. But I'll make sure there's no duplicates. Don't worry. I'll make sure there's no duplicates. I'm watching the number, making sure that it doesn't just go down then go back up. Like it just did right now. So Jibo is the last one. Alibaba. Jibo already entered, so I'm not going to put his name again. 228. No, saying there are some people. Oh, different accounts? I'm sure people did different accounts. Hey, man, you want to do different accounts? Do different accounts. Seed number 1, 231. We'll put all of those in there. All right, one more minute, guys, and then we're going to do it. What is this? Just doing a giveaway for the Discord. Why it's so more fun than to give away winners. All right, I'm gonna give one more minute. 2:35. People are redoing it. Well, we'll just check all the names. All right. You check my name. Is it Ash? Mubashir, Ash Raha. Yep, you're there. Number 15, brother. Ishigo. Yep, Ishigo, you're there. Number 467. All right. Now, what we can do is, my name is not there. What's your Discord, brother? What about me? I didn't see my name. Guys, there's 400 people on this list, or I guess 200 something. Nah, we don't need ChatGPT. Yeah, ChatGPT, right? Yeah, ChatGPT. It's gonna pick a number for us. So, Gabriel, if you guys want to check if your name, I mean, I'm not gonna check for everyone, guys. It's there. Gabriel. All right, Gabriel, your name's actually not here. Did you put a like on the thing? These two people. Put a reaction on the thing, Gabriel. Tell ChatGPT to pick. Yep, we'll pick 3 winners. We'll pick 3 winners. Alibaba's there for sure. I remember putting that one in myself, brother. I don't see my name. What's your name? Someone said, okay, I can't do this. There is no Ismail. Did you put a like on the post, brother? Jibo, stop trying to get extra pics, bro. Think I don't know? You think I don't know? We're gonna make sure there's no duplicates. Duplicates. What post? Yeah, you gotta put a fire emoji on this post. Gabriel, I'll put you in here, bro. Just because you asked nicely. So you don't worry about it, bro. I don't want to wait any longer. So unless anyone can you check for Damon? Yep, Damon, you are there, brother. 156, 155. All right. So many FOMO. MMD Beast. Beast, I don't see your name here. Is that what your Discord is? The one that you did it? Abrizu, you're there. Ein, you're there. Halo, you're there. GZY, you're there. If you put an emoji, you're definitely there. All right, we're doing it now. It's done. No more. No more. Let me quickly make sure there's no duplicates. This guy Jibo, bro. This guy Jibo thinks he's slick. This guy entered twice. Think I didn't notice? I'll leave it there, though. It's fine. I'll let it slide. Really needs that account, I guess. Think I didn't notice? I don't miss. I notice. I notice everything. All right, this guy really wants to join on. I'll add you, Beast. All right, we'll add these last 2 people and then we'll roll. That's it. If you didn't come, you missed it. The Discord link. Everything is duplicated twice, Toffee. Everything's duplicated twice, as long as they're not 4 times, you know? But I think it's good. There would be no duplicates, only at the bottom of the list, right? So, because no one would have even done that. Toffee, you're there, I think. You're number 173, brother. All right, we're rolling. So, a number from 1 to 477. We're going to roll 3 times, so I did place a trade. We took 1 win, and it was a paper trade, and that's it. Okay. What was the number again? 477. Roll 1 number randomly. Well, obviously randomly, but from 1 to I forgot the number again. What was the number? 477. 477. Copy the names and roll? Fuck's that? Wait, 477? It literally picked the last. It actually picked the last number? That's funny. I was like, wait, what's the number? That's crazy. All right, the last person to enter. Wow, this guy must feel fucking happy right now. I'll tell you that because. All right, Cardinal Lock. Message me on. I can use Google. Message me on Discord, brother. You are the first winner. I'm not gonna cheat in it. This is our first winner, so we'll just highlight that yellow. All right, I can use Google. It's ChatGPT, guys. It's random. It's still random. 477. We're still gonna do that, but we'll do no duplicates, right? So if he wins again, obviously, it's not dumb, guys. It just happened to be the last one. It's how? What do you mean? How is it not fair? It's ChatGPT for all of them. Keep it fair. All right. No, no. Look, it's definitely choosing a random number. Look, I'll even ask it. No, I'm not gonna ask it. That's just scammy, bro. It's definitely random. I don't want to ask it and fucking confuse it. Let's see. If it gives us 477 again, then obviously we know. See, it gave us 12. Look, it literally said view analysis. Look, import random number from 1 to 477. Okay. Anyways, number 12. Number 12. Number 12 is going to be one of the OGs from the Discord. It's Ben. Ben is probably not even in the stream right now. But Ben is the other winner. Congratulations, Ben. I will message Ben. Let me message Ben and see if he's alive. At Ben. Oh, he's right there. Yep, I'll check the message, Karen. I'll check the message, brother. Got him. All right, we got one more. One more giveaway winner. I'm gonna roll. ChatGPT will roll. We have number 305. 305. Here's I love ChatGPT. I mean, it's random, right? It's random. We got this guy, Abdulaziz. I think he's also in the Discord. If he's not in the Discord, then we'll remove him. But I think he is in the Discord. Abdel Aziz. Abdel Bassang. This one, right there. So if they don't message me by end of day, I will re-roll this list. Yep, I'll check. Yeah, for sure. I will check if they made the account and confirm. It won't let me send them the thing if they didn't make the account, right? But I will definitely check. And we'll see if so. Ben already replied. Ben's already here. So Ben, congratulations, brother. You won one of the accounts. Smash TP, you were my Confluence first presentation. So that's it. Listen, we'll do more giveaways. I wish, honestly, bro, I could give everyone an account. My name is Aziz. Doesn't count. This guy was like, wait, what? I won? It's always random. I got your message, brother. I got your message right here. I will definitely get back to you. And if he doesn't get back to me, then we will re-roll. But for the most part, I think he will. So that's gonna be it for today. Should we roll one just for fun and no winner, just to see what it is? Just to see who would have been super unlucky. They would have been the fourth roll. What? That's crazy, bro. All right. Never mind then. Okay, from here. Number 5. Number 5, who would have that been? Jack. Would have been Jack. So one more just for fun. 349, 393. I'm not about to check all those, bro. All right, we're done. It's not 5K. It's not only 5,000, bro. It's a $5,000 account with funded by traders. Could someone crash out in chat so I can ban you? Listen, we'll try and do as many giveaways as I can. Those are the 3 winners. Keep rolling until you pick me. Honestly, bro, I wish I could give everyone an account, but we gotta stay fair, obviously. So those are the 3 winners. Hopefully next time, man. You know, hopefully next time. Yeah, that was fun, man. That was fun. W Nash trade. So the trade we took 9:30 PO3. There's midnight open, as I said. 9:30 PO3. Buy side, sell side. That's a double purge. Look for the reversal. What's my confirmation? The breaker block and the order block. Very simple. Higher time frame PD array, 50% of this wick. Came up, almost took the low, aggressively displaced up. And there you go. I was supposed to win, bro. What happened? How do we claim the account? Just message me and I will send you the account, brother. I'll send you the account. I need your email, the one that you use with Funded by Traders. And yep, 1 minute breaker. 1 minute breaker, 1 minute OB. Ben is happy as fuck. I'm happy for you, Ben, bro. Ben, get a payout for me on that account, bro. Get a payout. I want to see it done. That was good, bro. That was a good trade. No crashing out, Ben. Okay. So I'm just gonna send the link to the winners. If the last guy doesn't get back to me by end of day, then I'll announce in the Discord that we roll one more. Sorry, Ryan. I know. Everyone thought they were gonna win. Everyone thought they were gonna win. Shorts? I wouldn't expect shorts anymore, to be honest. I mean, 1050 macro? Maybe, actually. It kind of moved up a lot more higher than expected. Maybe shorts after ES takes out this level. Right? I mean, if it was going to play short, it would have played short from here. Oh, that's painful. It literally bounced off your break even, huh? Yeah, that's painful. That is true, Dragon. That is true. You know, maybe we'll run a more exclusive giveaway sometime for those who are only in YouTube. Because those YouTube guys, those are real brothers to me, man. But there you go. The buy side level was delivered on ES right there. Appreciate you, Dragon. Appreciate you. I mean, yo, just remember the giveaways are sponsored by the prop firm, right? It's not me. Tell Sam to be more active. Sure, bro. I can tell Sam to be more active. He's a nice guy, bro. You can always just tell him too, like, yo, Sam, you think you can be more active, bro? Like, some of us really count on you, or we really want to see your opinion, or something. You know, he's a really chill guy. He's just like me. You know, that's why I really like his prop firm. I like what he's doing. So, yo, shout out to him for giving me the account. It was him, you know. It's his prop firm that sponsored the giveaway, right? It's not me buying you guys accounts. Unfortunately, I can't do that right now. Gotta buy myself accounts. Still, but for sure, man, we'll make it happen. We'll make it happen. Speaking of Forex accounts, let's open my Forex account, see where we're at. It's been a while since I've opened up Forex. Yeah, for sure. I mean, I trade Forex too. I'm just not as active on my Forex account. Man, sometimes Forex just sucks, bro. Like, all these charts suck. This looks pretty bearish, actually. We just short this, target the low. We'll just watch it, actually. I think it actually might go lower from this fair value gap, but it's still choppy. Go back? Go back where? First presented fair value gap. That is your first fair value gap that forms. Right, that's your first fair value gap that forms. After 9:30. So not 9:30, after 9:30. Yep, Forex gets affected the same way. All the USD pairs, right? It affects the US dollar, right? So if the US dollar gets affected, everything gets affected. It's a USD thing right there. How many points was this trade? 40, yeah, not bad. Today was actually pretty nice, you know? You take your partial here, maybe break even and see what happens. Not a bad trade. It's an evaluation account, fortunately. I think it is, at least. I think it's evaluation, brother. There was a funded account. There was one, but Tam didn't give me those ones. I think he did those ones on his own, on Twitter or something. So you always tune in, bro. Sam is always doing giveaways, man. He's always doing giveaways. So tune in. If you trade Forex or NAS 100, it's all good. You know, even if you trade futures, you can just trade the NAS 100. I mean, look at the chart. It's pretty much the same. You just trade it, do your analysis, and then trade it on NAS 100. Same thing, right? Same thing. So even if you don't use Forex, you might as well enter the giveaway. You never know. Maybe you'll get a payout as long as you don't take it stupidly. Yeah. What platform sells straight funds accounts? I don't know. Funded by Traders does. Funded by Traders does. Bearish for today? Nah, I mean, I would have been bullish until this level. And then that's it. At this point, I would expect maybe a move to 50%, but for the most part, it'll probably go sideways until PM session. Don't regret it, bro. Don't regret it. Just journal it. Why regret it? Why regret it? You followed your rules. You caught the 1 to 2. That's amazing. 1 to 2 is amazing. You followed your rules. Now just journal. Just journal. When you looking for a premium discount, do you do for a day or week? Premium discount. I do. So there's daily range. That's one of them. Daily range. Previous day range. And then there's also the current daily range, which would be this. From low to high of the daily range. And then I also look at the dealing range. So the dealing range is your most recent sell side liquidity sweep. So right here, we took out sell side liquidity. So go to the most high, and that's your 50% of the dealing range. You could also use the New York session range, all these kind of levels. So depends what you look at it. IRL to ERL daily, possibly PM session gives us the pump higher. Why are you trading this late in December? Let's read the title here, brother. Let's read the title here. And I don't mind trading deep in December, actually. So I will be trading tomorrow and Friday and the week after that. The week after that. All right. So that's probably it for me today, guys. Congratulations to everyone who won the giveaway. I wish I could do more, man. I fucking love doing giveaways. Who won? We had 3 winners. So we had Cardano Lock, we had Ben, and we had Aziz. 3 winners. Shout out my quotes and psychology motivation channel. Make sure you read anything that's going to become profitable. What did you post there? Let's see. Where, bro? Put me on the ads midway. Sorry, bro. I appreciate that revenue, though. Appreciate you. You want me to give you that cent? I can give you that cent back, bro. Send me your PayPal, bro. I'll give you that cent back. Oh, you sent something? It's okay not to win. This should open your. I would think I'm getting. Bro, where, bro? Oh, scroll up in here. This or motivation? Yeah, this is your motivation. Did you enter a trade this session, bro? Only on paper, brother. Only on paper. Did you just switch to TikTok chat, bro? What's going on here, man? You said, well, laying in bed having a night. Let's all read this. Let's all read this before we head out today. Let's all read this before we head out today. All right. Top success. Was laying in bed having a nice deep thought while ICT was fluttering my brain, and he whispered in my ear and said, the market is no mere chaos, but a deliberate symphony orchestrated by unseen forces of liquidity and imbalance. Yet even the most profound understanding is powerless without the virtue. Boy, you did not dream this shit. This guy's a fucking capper. Oh, nice deep thought. Sorry. I thought you said you dreamed it. Alright, let's continue. Profound understanding is powerless without the virtue of discipline, for trading is not the art of being correct, but the art of mastery of patience. It is the wisdom to act only when the moment demands, and to remain still when it does not. Most are undone. Bro, can you put a period in this shit? Where's your grammar, bro? Run this shit through ChatGPT. I don't know when to take a pause. Remain still. Most are not undone by ignorance, but by the inability to conquer their own impulses. True. They cause shadow battle, ties, and surrender to the folly of ego. True. Yet the market is indifferent to your desires and moves with neither malice nor mercy. True. Only those who master themselves may truly master its flow. True as well. Very true. Unfortunately, there is no periods in this paragraph. It's just one long ass run on sentence. Come on, bro. Let's get some English going in here. All right? All right, boys. I think you already explained, but why did you enter long here if there wasn't a liquidity sweep? No problem, brother. So, for starters, there is a liquidity sweep. It's just we're now able to identify it, which is okay, because I will teach you. This is what we call a rejection block. Right? Price, hit the rejection block. This is a liquidity sweep, right? For example, just to make it a little bit more clear, we took out all this liquidity. We didn't take out this liquidity, but we still took out liquidity. That's one. Two, there was a higher time frame PD array here, which is the 50% level of that wick. For me in my trading, I can frame the long off of the 50% level. I can frame the long off of the low. Either way, it is valid for me. Okay? Either way. So if I see it hit the 50% level and give me a breaker block, right? It's giving me a bullish breaker with a bullish fair value gap, with a bullish change in the state of delivery. all these things would likely not happen if it was going to run this low. It would have just simply tapped into the fair value gap here, ran the low, right? So if we're going to get a bullish breaker and the change in state of delivery and a bullish fair value gap and an inversion fair value gap, any entry would have worked here, right? We came back above the rejection block. Remember that blue line? Rejection block. We came back above. Even the 15-minute fair value gap we respected. This 15-minute fair value gap was respected. So we respected all these levels. I did take one trade though, brother. I did take one trade. We took this long. So I did take that long. If all those levels get respected at the time I'm expecting it to, that's enough for me. We took enough liquidity. That's what that means, you know? We went low enough. And there is a liquidity sweep, you know? So hopefully that makes sense, brother. Why only paper? I'll trade FOMC PM session with the Discord, yeah. 15-minute Drake wick? This wick? Or this wick? I mean, in my opinion, for me, the DOL with these equal highs, and then, like I said, midnight opening would be like the last target for me. I wouldn't expect much more than midnight open. Where does that sell? For this trade, your stop loss, so it's a tricky one. For me, my stop loss needs to cover this fair value gap, and it needs to cover the breaker block, and ideally the order block. So for me, in this trade, I put my stop loss right here. It covers the mean threshold of the order block, it covers the breaker block, and it covers the fair value gap, right? You can see we respected those levels pretty nicely, actually. So 2.4R at the highs. At midnight opening, you get your 3.8R if that's where you TP'd. Why do you expect midnight opening? Because it's seek and destroy. Buy side, sell side, buy side. Typical. Look at this. Typical. Call it a New York reversal. Call it a seek and destroy. It's pretty much formed the exact same way today. So I was long 6120, but only took 6 points plus the ER entered again 612. So yeah, nice, bro. That's really good. So to find that today is really good. What about for the second FEG? Where would you put your stop loss? I'd have to put it at the bottom fair value gap there. So you enter this. I mean, first of all, I would never take this. Actually, if the equal highs are still there, yeah, I guess you could take it. But if it was me, I wouldn't take this because, so let's say you entered here. It's not the best entry, but your stop loss would have to be like here, to be honest. So, and then as soon as it takes this level, you got to go break even, and you would have got breaking even right away, right? Unless you take a part like this risk to reward awful. This is how I would have done it. If you want to be a little more precise, you could have entered on the 50% of that range. So like this is just like, you're just chasing it at this point, right? You're just chasing it. But I mean, let's say you're doing this. You saw this, you see the fair value gap, and you're like, know what? Let me just try to get 50%, right? Would you have gotten it? You would have just missed it. You would have just missed it. What you can do though, what you can do is wait for the order block. So for example, right there, you enter, stop loss goes to this candle low, and then you can do something like this. You would have been filled right there. So this fair value gap slash this order block. So you take this fair value gap, stop loss. Like, see, you get the continuation idea. Would you get hit stop loss? You would have had to survive all this choppiness. That's painful, but it held nonetheless. I don't trade head and shoulders, brother. You're still in the trade now? I wouldn't look for much more personally. ES already reached the final objective, but I mean, you do you. You do you. I don't want to persuade nobody. But you can see ES took out this level already, so SMT. All right, brothers. What was your tick TP today? I TP'd at the equal highs today. Oh, the tick TP, like you want the level? Remember, it's a paper account, but 22307, 22307.75. So call it 22304. 22304. Seller buy. I would look for shorts now, personally. I didn't use it today because I was expecting seek and destroy. So what I would have done is look for 1 to 1.5. So yeah, auto look for right there. That's like your max, right? For seek and destroy. So I don't expect -2, -2.5. Although on ES we did hit that level. ES was a lot more expansive. See ES hitting that -2, -2.5, and then you can see the buy side right above -3. So ES definitely expanded. But for me, yeah, low hanging objective -1. What's MNO? MNO's midnight open. The wrong contract. That's okay, bro. The indicators I use are AGFX watermark, which will label gems, GatieTrades power of 3, and then the interval right here, and then ICT kill zones and TFO. Those are the what kind of fib you're using? Can you explain? Thank you. What kind of fib? I use standard deviations for my fib. I'll also use the 50% tool. I have a couple of fib tools. Sometimes I want to mark out the quarters, right? Sometimes I want to mark out the Fibonacci retracements. Sometimes I want to mark out projections for a distribution. So it depends, you know? Can't go over them all right now. That would take a while. But they're on my YouTube channel. All right, brothers. I appreciate everyone coming today for the live stream. I hope all the giveaway winners enjoy their winnings. Go get the payout on that account that you won. Keep me posted if you want. I will see you guys live tomorrow, exact same time. We'll be trading the funded account tomorrow, or the eval, or both. We'll figure it out. Now I have 2 accounts, unfortunately. I was not planning to do that, but we have 2, and there's nothing I can do about it now. So I will look to trade those accounts. I will see you guys tomorrow, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Time. Appreciate everyone coming through. Take care, brothers. I don't think NQ will reach the buy side. Not in this session. Maybe in the PM session, but not this session. Nah. I wouldn't expect so. Take care, brothers. See you guys.